established that there's two areas. One is your mind control, the mind training, and being prepared mentally for the opportunity when it presents itself.
Right.
Now, real estate is universally been the #1 millionaire maker in the world. Now, I want to start with a principle that makes people wealthy, and to remind everybody on our Speaking with John series that the most wealth in real estate comes from growth. Now, people invest for three reasons: cash flow, tax write-offs, and growth. Now, cash flow would be you own the real estate and you want to rent it out, maybe, if you're holding it, if you're keeping it. Now, there's two ways you make money in real estate. One would be you buy it and you turn around and sell it, and you get your income that way. Now, what Christina and I both specialize in is buying real estate and keeping it. And when you keep it, you get income from the rents. And by using those rents to make your payments, you can now hold on to the real estate and gain the #1 way of becoming wealthy, which is called growth in the value of your assets. Now, so many people come into our program, and because their questions are based on the way they think at that time, they say, but I need cash flow. I need money now. Tell me how to make money now. So I said, okay, why don't you go buy a property, fix it up, and flip it? And they do that, and it works. But they say, but I'm not wealthy. Well, no, you're not wealthy. Why are you not wealthy? And one of the reasons is because if you're not wealthy because you didn't do the principle that makes you wealthy. You did the principle that gave you cash flow. And people say, well, isn't that the same thing? It is not the same thing. Okay, so because we specialize in keeping the property, we want the growth.